Imagine a species built on efficiency. They build skyscrapers, they split atoms, and send signals to the stars. A species building high tech. But every 16 hours, something absurd happens. The entire civilization shuts down. It simply shuts down. They call it sleep. From an intergalactic perspective, it is a flaw. A supercomputer that crashes every single night. Every night, a system crash. It deletes the active memory, boots for 8 hours, and is only then ready to function again. And if you touch it during this process, you become angry. If you tried to sell an operating system like this on the galactic market, you would go bankrupt. Why do you do this? Why this daily standby mode? Tiredness is not the answer. That is just the brain's excuse. It is ashamed of your daily decisions. Your decisions are too complex. The brain needs a break. The brain is afraid of you. Afraid of your stupidity. Today we look at what really happens. What happens in the night? Let us take a closer look. Welcome to the Waste Management Department. The grand cosmic cleaning begins every single night while the human citizen is offline. The human brain, a masterclass in organic engineering. It processes billions of operations, calculates quantum physics, and yet it forgets where the car keys are. But high performance has a price. A toxic price. Think of a combustion engine. It burns fuel. It produces movement. But it also produces exhaust gas, soot, carbon monoxide, waste. The human brain is no different. Every thought burns glucose. Every emotion leaves behind debris. Metabolic toxic waste. Without regular removal? A mind like yogurt. A forgotten yogurt in the fridge. Left there for weeks. Toxic. Inefficient. Disgusting. During the day, the brain cannot clean itself. The plumbing is closed. The brain is too busy survival testing. It accumulates protein waste. Beta amyloid, tau proteins, the literal bricks that build Alzheimer's disease. If you stay awake for too long, the bricks pile up. The fortress of intelligence becomes a prison of confusion. But then, the 16-hour timer runs out. The standby mode activates. And the glymphatic system pumps. It is an invisible, microscopic hydraulic press. It forces cerebrospinal fluid through the tissue. Like a high-pressure cleaner inside the skull. It pumps the toxins out. It pumps through the night. To make this work, physics must bend. The brain cells do something terrifying. They shrink. The brain shrinks by 15%. It actively makes itself small. Imagine a giant city shrinking its skyscrapers just for the cleaning crew. It is the biological equivalent of moving furniture aside, making space for the mop. The fluid needs channels to flow. If the cells stay big, the water cannot pass. So the brain packs its bags. It pulls its structures together. The floor must shine. You are biological movers. Every night, a massive relocation. Every night, the living room of your consciousness is emptied. Every night, the cellular trash is thrown into the bloodstream. And then, your liver filters it. Your kidneys flush it away. You literally pee out the remnants of yesterday's stress. By morning, the system is clean. The living room is full again. The walls are painted, filled with new, empty hard drive space, ready for new data, ready for new mistakes. In the past, sleep was a risk. No luxury, pure danger. Nature was dangerous. A Neanderthal in sleep. The Neanderthal was prey. He was eaten. From a survival standpoint, this behavior should have been eliminated. But it wasn't. Why? Because of a countermeasure. So came the Vigilance app. The app for the night. The app for survival. They call it the REM-Phase. Rapid eye movement. Your body is completely paralyzed. A biological safety lock. But inside the skull, a cosmic fireworks display. You twitch in your sleep. Why do you twitch? Because you are running simulations. You test the attack. The saber-toothed tiger attacks. You test your reaction. You test the trade-offs of danger. Trauma filtering. Risk management. Testing during sleep. Your brain is active. More active than while working. More active than while thinking. You are not in standby. You are a laboratory. A beta test laboratory. Every night, you are tested. The manual is being written. The software is being optimized. Rewriting your survival. It takes the chaos of yesterday, strips away the fear, and leaves only the lesson. It is an offline optimization. A forced update you cannot postpone. You think you are the bosses. You are bosses when you are awake. But the real work, the engineering, it happens offline. And yet, the modern human despises this system. The capitalist machine hates the offline mode. 8 hours of non-productivity? An economic catastrophe. So the Earthlings started a war against their own engineering. They invented chemical bypasses. Caffeine to block the adenosine receptors. They buy expensive mattresses. They wear sleep trackers. They use blue light blocking glasses. They swallow melatonin pills. They download meditation apps. An entire multi-billion-dollar industry just to optimize the mode they desperately try to shorten. They use alarms to rip themselves out of the beta test. They crash boot every morning. Unfinished updates. Unclean trash. And then they wonder why the software fails. Is sleep a mistake? Is it a bug? No, it is time. Masterpiece of design. Time without manipulation. Time without algorithms feeding the consciousness. To build skyscrapers and split atoms, you need a mind that can rewrite itself in the dark. The question is, the big question. When you go tonight, when you enter your simulation, what are you testing? What exactly are you testing? What are you really testing there? The life you want, the life you are looking for, the one you fear, your greatest fear, your worries? Think about it. Good night. A truly good night. Good luck with the beta test. May your updates install smoothly. See you tomorrow. If you survive the simulation,